Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are fine. Today, we are again together with a new topic of SST, our goals, rights, and duties. First, we should know what is right and what is duty. For example I am taking from our house. Like at home, you expect your parents to look after you. You expect them to provide you with a home, give you food and clothes, and pay for your school fees. You expect now from your guardians? Yes, all expect. So these are your rights. ये आपके अधिकार हैं. मीन्स यू आर थिंकिंग दैट दिस इज द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ योर गार्जियन, दैट इट शुड बी प्रोवाइडेड बाय देम. बट when you have rights, you have duties also. Means your guardians are doing this much for you, so you also have some responsibility now towards them. So you have duties also. Some of your duties are towards your guardian, like you should respect them, you should help your parents in their work, and to pay attention in your studies. Is it your duty? Yes, this is your duty. You also should do for your guardian, as your guardians are doing many things, your parents are doing many things for you, so you also should do. Now what you think for your other duties? Like suppose means you are coming to school, you are thinking that school proper clean place you should get, other facilities also you should get. So towards school also your some duties are there, obviously na, that you should not make dirty, you should not destroy anything. So from where these duties and rights are coming? So I'm telling you from starting. Our country was ruled by the British for almost 200 years. After a long and hard efforts, our country, India, got its independence from the British on when we became independent? 15 August 1947. Very good. So, after that, our leaders got together to form a government. They thought that now we are free, our own country government should be there. Before the British were ruling. So what they started doing? One of the first thing they did, they made a set of rules. What they did? They made a set of rules based on which a government would run. Set of rules on which government will run. This set of rules is known as our constitution. The set of rules is known as our constitution. संविधान, हमारा संविधान. So our constitution lays down some important guiding principles that have to be followed by leaders of our nation, from the people of our nation, citizens. All citizens should follow some important guiding principle given by constitution. So these are some. Now we will read about some our fundamental right. Fundamental right, what is the meaning of this? Means the right which are given by our constitution, and if we are thinking that it is not according to law, so we can go to court. हमें अगर लगता है कि हमारा कोई अधिकार छीना जा रहा है, so we can go to court. So the Constitution of India gives its citizens certain fundamental rights. If anyone feels that their fundamental right, उनके अधिकार, have been denied, they can approach a court of law. अगर आपको लगता है आपके अधिकार आपसे छीने जा रहे हैं, then you can go to court for justice. Now here are some important rights. Rights you all know na, adhikar. Okay, so first right is right to equality. Right to equality. So what it means, equality? Equality means, you know na, equal, barabar. There is no difference between people. All are equal in eyes of law. Everyone is equal in the eyes of law. No one is poor, no one is rich, no caste matter, nothing. All are equal for law. The second one is right to freedom of speech. Means we all, those who are the citizen of country, we all have the right to share our views freely without any fear. We can share our views, but it should not against anyone. Means what we are thinking, like class also we are having this right. If we want to say something, you can mostly you share your views with me na, this is your right, you can do so. In same way in India also this is our right, ये हमारा अधिकार है, that we can share our views on any specific topic or and for anything you whatever you are feeling, that you can share with everyone. Now the third one, right to follow any religion. You belong to which religion, it doesn't matter. If you want to follow any other, you want to change your religion, that you can do, you are free. There is no objection from the government side that you cannot change your religion. You can follow any religion and you can change also if you want. Now next is right to justice. Justice, nyay. As I told, if you are feeling that anything is happening wrong with you, which is not according to the law, so you can go to court and you can get justice. आपको न्याय मिलेगा. This is also your right. ये आपका अधिकार है, that you can go to court. You can go to police that this thing is happening wrong with me. So it is the duty of the law that it will help you. Next is number 5, right to live and travel anywhere in the country. If you want to for a tour to Delhi, to West Bengal, to any state you want to go, you are free to go. And if you want to live in any other state, for that also you are free. Government will not make any objection in this. You can travel to any state, you can live there for some time, for lifelong also. This is your right. No objection will be done by anyone. You are, for this also you are totally free. If any objection is coming, you can go to court also. Now right to choose our profession. Like many times we are discussing in class now that what you want, like Siddharth, you tell what you want to be in future. Doctor. Very good, you want. Do you have any idea that suppose one day any government person will come, no, you cannot be doctor? Anyone is doing like this? No na? Yes, because it is your choice, it is your right also. ये आपका अधिकार है, that what you want to be in future, that you will choose. Government will not interfere in this matter, that what you want to be doctor, you want to be engineer, you want to be teacher, anything, any profession you can choose by your own choice. Last but most important, right to education. Right to free and compulsory education for all children up to the age of 14. Those who are the age of up to 14, they are having the right of free education. Free education. In government school you will get free education up to age of 14. This is also your right. If anyone is facing a problem, they can go to court also for this. This is your right. Right to एजुकेशन, शिक्षा प्राप्त करना, एजुकेशन प्राप्त करना आपका अधिकार है. नो वन कैन से दैट इन माई स्कूल यू कैन नॉट से मीन्स यू कैन नॉट टेक एडमिशन. दिस इज़ योर राइट. सो नाउ तो मैनी राइट्स, बहुत सारे अधिकार मिल गए. सो सेम वे सम ड्यूटीज आर ऑल्सो कमिंग ना. इफ आवर कंट्री इज गिविंग मैनी राइट्स टू अस, सो We are having some duties also, mainly 7 rights we are having. So now our duties always come with rights. जब हमें कुछ अधिकार मिलते हैं तो हमारी कुछ जिम्मेदारियां भी होती हैं. इन सेम वे वी डिस्कस ना दैट our parents are doing many things for us, so we also should do. In same way our country is also doing many things for us, so we also should do something for our country. So some important for the citizens of India, some these duties are there which are important for the citizens of India. We must follow the rules and laid down by the constitution. हमें हमारे संविधान के द्वारा बनाए हुए रूल्स फॉलो करने चाहिए. It is compulsory that we should follow. If we are enjoying our rights, so we should follow the rules made by our constitution. We should honor the national flag and national anthem. That's why mostly teacher is saying that at the time of national anthem we should stand straight, we should respect our national flag also. We must help to keep our country together united, एक साथ. We must help to, we should not fight among the religions, among the neighborhood. We should not fight. We must help to keep our country together. We must defend our country at the time of danger. If any problem is coming, like nowadays this corona problem is coming, so government is requesting us to be at home, so be at home also. In this way also we are defending our country. This time this is our duty, we should be at home. Okay, next, we must protect our national property. Like in school also we are getting rights, and so duties also, we should not destroy destroy in school. Same way nation also, many like railway is also our property, many things are our property, whatever of our country, that is our, so we should not destroy anything. We must protect our environment. We should not make dirty our environment. We must protect, we should plant trees and try to not to cut trees. We must treat India as equal. We all are same, there is no difference between each and other. All are Indian. Before anything we all are Indian, we all are equal. Okay, now we will do some activity based on this chapter we read. Write in front of the sentence whether it is a right or a duty. One by one I will call and you have to write. These sentences are written, you have to write in front of this that it is a right or it is a duty. Somewhere it is very easy also. So just now we have read also about it. So now Uday, you come and write down in front of this. What is written? Right to equality. It is our right or it is our duty. Write down. Very good. Right to equality. It is our right. Now Arya, you come and read what is written. We must protect our environment. It is our right or it is our duty. Write down. Very nice. Everyone clap. It is our duty. Now, Siddharth, you come. Right to follow any religion. This is our right, हमारा अधिकार है, और this is our responsibility, our duty. Very good. Everyone clap. This is our right. Next, Khushi, come. We must honor the national flag and national anthem. Write down in front of this. This is our right or duty. Very good. This is our duty. Now, Ananya, you come. We must protect our national property. This is our right or our duty. Write down. Very good. This is our duty. Farhan, now you come. Number 6, right to justice. This is our right or this is our duty? Very good. This is our right. Hassan, you come and write down in front of this, right to education. Yes, this is our right. And now the last one. Ayushi, come. We must follow the rules laid down by the Constitution, Samvidhan. What is Samvidhan? Set of rules on which government run. So it is our right or our duty? Very good. Everyone clap. Very nice. Thank you.